Squeeze it off.
This piece is called cemented Velcro. We are forever controllable because of our fear of dying. Constantly striving, trying to keep life in our prying hands. Lying against the sand of time, the mind races, sands verifying any real competitors on the basis of qualifying illusions instead of the characters. With caricatures of those who have our best interests. On the line, off to the side, not in mind, but see it's all right, because the power resides inside. Assigned on the strictest yet simplest of terms in certain conditions, whereby to lose oneself is to gain what's been missing. The ultimate magician, see my one-ticket admission, got me in this school of life expedition, human edition, paid in full memory and tuition. Sold mine, soul to get a quick boost, turn my fruits to fruition. Beyond my tactician type shit, then get a few buckets, pick one and kick it. See, I'm dipping, I gotta ride my shape whipping, cause the mission is no longer earthbound, God willing, and with my own willing, good willing, fulfilling why it is that I came here to begin with. But where does one even begin? Within the hole to the womb man, who creates the new man or the true man, depending on the channel you tuned in. Homage tricks, and you're picked by the rinse at the rinse linked in. That is if you fall for it, forfeit in, subconsciously forfeit in, getting tricks slicked up over one's own true potential, just when you are the stencil in name, with the brain in the game, or ball and chain and ascertain otherworldly credentials. It's all inconsequential. Space existed before you, but I get it. The attachment is indeed very real. So like cemented Velcro, every day we go toward honestly who even knows, so we simply stick to what we know.
I got you. So, here we go. Hold on. So real quick,